Hi there, this is Anastasia Hall, aka Coach Ace. Welcome to Ace Rich Freedom by Design's YouTube channel, the place to come to learn how to make money online because nobody teaches digital marketing like Ace and Rich. Thank you so much for stopping by today's video. If it's your first time here, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And so, what are we doing today? In today's video, we are doing another PixTeller tutorial. And I'm going to share with you exactly my method of how I actually create those beautiful, stunning images for Instagram. Not only that, but I also share what I do on Instagram, on my Facebook. So I'm kind of leveraging both parts of social media, which is great, but we're going to work on Instagram today. So let's go into PixTeller Editor and let's take a look at how we can create some beautiful success quotes and anything dealing with quotes in general for our images for Instagram. Let's go. And let's find a different template, a different one, something that's like not the typical Instagram one, something that you would want to edit as your own, right? So we're going to go over here to gallery, go to page 2, and we're looking for, I know when I see it, here it is right here, something like that. What if you don't want the text to be that bold and big, but you want something more finer, more classier? Then you would actually use something like this, and all you do is click use image. Okay, let it load up. And you can change the text, like I said, over here on the left. You can change the text just appears when you hit delete, okay? Okay, and you see how it just kept the font and all the settings stayed the same. And then what you want to do is move this up higher. I usually like to position, when I make my quotes, I like to position the author's name towards the right of the quote. It just looks a lot more neater. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the author to my own name because that's my own quote. I just came up with that. Okay. And then we want to change the background. I really love this background, but I just want to show you for demonstration how we can change it. So let's say we're going to click add image. Okay. After you add image, let's say you want to put a flower. So we're going to search for a flower. And we're finding, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a different method of how to add this to the background, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to delete the background image like this. I'm going to click here, okay? And I'm going to go to set as background and it automatically puts it there for me. Now we have one little issue though. You see, the words are light and it's white. And on top of that, anytime you have light against light, it doesn't, the words will not pop. So you need to learn about the opacity, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Click on the image and then take your mouse and go over here to these little pixels, and it says 100%. It says set opacity, and we're going to click on that, and we're going to drag this towards the left. Watch what happens to the background. You see that? It literally just got white all of a sudden. Now if I put it back to where it was, it gets darker. Now how are we going to make this darker? Is there a way that we could actually make those words pop? There is, okay? And I'm going to show you. The way to make the words pop is basically put a mask right behind it. So what we need to do is insert a shape. So we'll go to shape, add rectangle, and what we're going to do is we're going to add some kind of a lighter gray shape like this. Click OK, and we're going to draw this out just a little. What I'm showing you guys is just a little bit of basic design, that's all. Something that's not difficult to do. And what we want to do now is we want those words to pop. So watch this, okay? And then what we want to do is, this is what I like to do. I have to make sure that those words pop. So I'm going to drag the box down, select the text, bring it towards the front, and now put the box where it was, and now those words are showing. So that's what you want to do. You want to put the box right here to create that transparent looking box so that the words would pop, right? So if I'm sending it to the back, it's going to like disappear. But if I bring it back to the front, this is what happens. Now, if you want the words to pop out, what I usually do is draw it like this. And then I'm going to click on the text, bring it towards the front. And now it makes it come up to life. Just like that. If I want to cover the whole thing, I could do that too. And then I could just play with the opacity. See? And that's how I make it like pop like that. And that's like more for like Instagram. It's kind of like a little dim background, and then you have the words that pop. Now I'm going to show you my classic design that I do, because like I said, these are just through the templates and I'm just doing it on the fly. But here's one of my favorite templates that I've created. It's this one right here. I love it. And when you go to my Instagram, you'll see on Instagram how it looks absolutely stunning. All the images made with the same template, done through PixTeller, okay? So let me go to my Instagram account here, and I'm going to show you. Look at this. Here are the images right here. There it is right there. I got 17 hearts on that. Wow. And I mean, just the images are just beautiful. Look at that. I mean, that's how we're able to create all these great images. And people just compliment me all the time when I make it. They look so stunning. I mean, just look at that. I've done this one. I just use the same template and I just turn the words around. That's all I do. I even have fun with that type of stuff too. See? All of this is done with PixTeller. Can you see why I love PixTeller now? Because I was able to do this and save me so much time. And I was able to do this. Oh, that's another photo. Okay, here we go. See that? So I just want you to know, do not overcomplicate creating Instagram photos and trying to invest into Photoshop and then, having to go through the learning curve and then frustrate yourself to the point that you're literally going to procrastinate and not make an Instagram image. All you do is get a PixTeller account. Go to PixTeller.com. Open up your account for free. Try it out. If you want to upgrade, there's a link below this video. You can actually go and get the PixTeller Pro account, and you'll have more access to great features and benefits within PixTeller. On top of that, it will help you create stunning images, graphics, and all of that with your designs. So, did you get value from today's video? I hope so. And you know what? Just leave a comment below this video and let me know if you have any questions. Post them down below. And on top of that, if you're looking to make money online and you want to learn exactly what you need to do to set yourself free and you don't have to worry about answering to another boss, click the link below this video. It'll take you to a page, enter in your best email address, and they will give you all the information you need. With that being said, my name is Anastasia Hall, aka Coach Ace, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.